It's an old Chevy truck that I'm working on, and the oil filter was stuck. Okay. I mean, I'm talking about stuck. I've never seen an oil filter stuck like that. I've had to drive screwdrivers through them before, but this was the worst I've ever seen. Let me show you how we got it out. This is what's left of the filter. That's what's left of the filter. That's the PH5. And you can see I drove the screwdrivers through it from different angles, all the way through it. You can see the gasket was bonding. The gasket was stuck. Okay. Now all the gasket came off, so I can easily go back with another filter, another gasket. Just wipe it up. I'm gonna show you how we did it. How we removed the oil filter. Hardest one I've ever seen. Okay. This is what we had to do to get this filter off. Of course, the first thing I did was go up under there and I tried this wrench. And of course, it was too tight. So then I sprayed some pin. I tapped on the bottom of the filter with a hammer. Tapped all around with a hammer. Tapped all around. Still nothing. Sprayed some penetrating all around the gasket, around the top. Played penetrating all. Went back to this wrench. Still nothing. So I took a strap wrench. I have a strap wrench that I have here, and it's on a ratchet. Okay, so I took the strap wrench and tried that. Now that strap wrench always works great. Okay, still nothing. So then I used the method, the last resort method they call it. Extremely long, big screwdriver with a big old handle. Drove it through the filter. Still wouldn't loosen. Okay. So I just took the hammer and kept beating on it. But beating on a direction that it would come off. So beating it this way. So counterclockwise. So beating it that way, kept beating it and beating it and beating it. And spraying more penetrating on and beating it. I drove the screwdriver through the filter and drove it all the way through and tried that. And that did not work. So I kept trying all those methods over and over again. And when I went back with the strap wrench is always the best thing, the tool to use. Went back with the strap wrench, I was able to get it loose. But it took all the force I could put on it. It's a PH5 Ram oil filter, what's left of it. Okay. So that's how we got it off. Like I said, it's been sitting, this truck's been sitting for many years. And that's what I had to do to get it off. So, you got a stock oil filter. You can get it off. It's going to take a little work, but you can get it off. Okay, let me add this. The places around the outside of the filter, might be hard to see, that had the glue or the varnish on it. Well, the filter doesn't make contact there. Maybe the metal part was stuck against that, I don't know. But we got her out, we put the new filter back in. So now we're going to put a little oil in her. That's how we removed the hardest filter I've ever seen stuck. Okay, we're going back with 5 quarts of SAE, rather I should say 5W30 Amsoil. It's SAE, of course. That's some good oil. So we're going back with that. Finally got the filter changed and got some new oil.